Friends, today we will talk about a huge secret that the world's biggest tech companies are hiding. You and I talk daily about smart AI, automating machines, and a digital future. We watch science fiction movies and hear claims of machine learning. But what a moment. What if I tell you that your smart AI is actually built upon a horrific inhuman lie? Yes, the technology you consider flawless has a dark story hidden at its foundation. You are told that AI learns on its own. But the other side of the truth is that millions of humans are working 24 hours behind these smart machines. These are the ghost workers. These are the people sitting in hidden settlements in poor countries, tagging every single image and categorize every video. This is actually the labor force that manually prepares AI's brains. Just think, a 12-hour shift. And how much is the wage? In many places, it is just $2 to $3 a day. When their labor is complete, then your self-driving car becomes able to drive. Your chatbot is able to understand you. The companies earning trillions of dollars are buying this labor for $3 a day. This is the foundation of slavery that we have deliberately ignored. The matter does not end only with human exploitations. Friends, now it's time to know the true cost. When a large AI model, large language model, is trained, how much does the electricity cost? The inside story is, according to one estimate, the electricity cost during training alone is approximately $4 lakh. And what does this $4 lakh mean? It means as much carbon pollution as an average car generates in its entire life, about 5 lakh kilometers. We think AI is digital and clean, but this technology runs on $4 lakh worth of electricity and the pollution of our planet. Tech companies present themselves as champion of the future, but in reality, they are using the cheapest human labor and at the same time causing severe damage to the environment. Now think, when everything around you becomes dependent on AI and its foundation is built upon such inhumanity and environmental destruction, will your future be secure? We wanted cheap and fast AI. In this haste, we sacrificed two important things: human rights and our planet. Friends, we have to change this system. We must force these companies toward green AI and fair work. We need technology that does not come at the cost of humanity. Next time you use an AI product, remember the $2 a day worker hidden behind it and that $4 lakh of pollution as well. If this truth cannot shake you, what will? Share this video because the truth should not remain in the dark. Be sure to share your opinion in the comments.